Today, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Planner on your desktop so it looks and behaves more like a regular app instead of just another browser tab. This is a really handy trick if you use Planner a lot and want quick access to your tasks without hunting through multiple windows. First, open your web browser. This process works best in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, so go ahead and launch one of those. Give the browser a moment to load and make sure you're connected to the internet. Next, in the address bar at the top of the browser, type planner.cloud.microsoft, then press enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Planner web page. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to log in with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and sign in so that your plans and tasks load as usual. Once you see your planner boards and tasks, you're in the right place. Now we're going to turn this web page into what feels like a desktop app. Look to the very top right corner of your browser window. You should see your profile picture or initials. And just to the left of that, 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the main browser menu. A long menu will drop down. Move your mouse down until you see the option called Save and Share. Don't click yet, just hover your mouse over it. When you hover over Save and Share, another smaller menu will slide out to the side. In that submenu, look for the option that says Install Pages App. It should be the second option in that list. Go ahead and click on Install Pages App. What you're doing here is telling the browser to treat this Planner web page like a standalone application on your computer. As soon as you click that, a small pop-up will appear near the top of your screen. It will confirm that you want to install this page as an app, and it should show the name, which is usually something like Planner. Check that it looks correct, then click the Install button in that pop-up. Right after you click Install, Microsoft Planner will open in its own separate window. You'll notice there's no browser address bar and no tabs along the top. It looks cleaner and more focused, almost exactly like a native desktop app. From here, you can resize the window, move it around, or snap it to one side of your screen, just like any other program. Depending on your browser and system settings, the new app may also be added to your Start menu, taskbar, or Applications list. If you want even quicker access, you can right-click its icon on the taskbar and choose to pin it there, so Planner is always just one click away. From now on, you can open Microsoft Planner directly from your desktop or app list instead of going through the browser and typing in the web address every time. You still get all the same features and live updates, but with the convenience of a dedicated window. And that's all it takes to get Microsoft Planner on your desktop and use it like an app.